In this chapter, I'm going to install the drive socket. Align the squared bottom of the drive socket with the squared top of the motor shaft. Push the drive socket straight down, then rotate until the arrow is aligned with the hole in the housing. Push the Allen wrench through the silicone and tighten the set screw clockwise until you feel the screw hit the shaft or it stops going in. Then back off 1/4 turn. Grab the drive socket and pull up on it. You should have very slight play both up and down. If no play is noticed, loosen the set screw and repeat the above steps. In this chapter, I'm going to remove the drive socket. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the centering pad. Next, I need to locate the arrow on top of the drive socket. The arrow is raised and can be felt by touch. Rotate the drive socket until the arrow is aligned with the hole in the motor casting. If you have never removed the drive socket before, you should find some silicone in the hole in the casting. Take your 5/64 Allen wrench and poke it through the silicone and locate the Allen set screw located in the drive socket. Turn the Allen wrench counterclockwise 4 to 5 turns to loosen the set screw. Once the set screw is loose, you should be able to pull the drive socket straight up and off the motor shaft. If the drive socket cannot be easily pulled off, you will need to try some different methods to remove it. Install the centering pad back on the machine and use 2 screwdrivers to apply some extra force under the drive socket. You may need to do this if the drive socket was cracked and the machine continued to run. Sometimes this will melt the plastic on the drive socket and it will be stuck on the motor. Once the drive socket is off, remove the rubber centering pad again and remove any debris from around the motor shaft. This should be done before the new drive socket is installed. If all previous attempts to remove the drive socket have failed, you may have to resort to this action. Put a flat blade screwdriver under the metal part of the drive socket, align the screwdriver with the arrow, and hit the screwdriver with a hammer. The idea is to shatter or split open the drive socket at its thinnest point. You may have to strike the screwdriver several times to cause the drive socket to break.